What's up, guys? My name is Ashlyn, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am going straight into this video. Clearly, it is going to be a workout video, and I'm just going to show stretching and my kind of warm-up as I talk to you guys for my shoulder routine. So if you're new to my channel, I make workout videos, and occasionally I will do some nutrition videos and random fit talking videos. So subscribe if you like, and always comment down below what you guys like about. But we're working our shoulders today, and I found this kind of like in the personal training section at my gym, or you can even find a broom, or if you have a band, just kind of stretch and warm up your shoulders. And I like doing this kind of slow, keeping my hands out really wide, and then as I go on and as I get more warm, scooching my hands closer together and seeing how flexible I can. And also, something I don't film, but I do pick this up in between sets, and I will continue stretching exactly this way throughout the entire workout. So stay tuned for a step-by-step, really kick-ass shoulder workout, and thanks for watching, guys. Alright, getting into our first exercise, we are doing a version of a shoulder press where you're bringing the dumbbells down and touching together, and you're shooting straight up. One thing I want to point out is you're making sure your back is super straight. Engage your core, breathe in when you come down and out when you come up. You might need to start with a lighter weight. This was really challenging for me to get to 10 reps. By the last couple reps, I was dying, but that is what I wanted because I do want to grow. So we're gonna do 5 sets of 10. After a little rest, we're gonna move straight into a tri-set, which is 3 exercises back to back with no rest in between. So I did lower my weight for this one. I am standing and leaning against the bench. I personally don't like sitting down, and I kind of get bored when I sit down, but you don't want to also stand up. I mean, you can do these standing up, but when you're having yourself pushed back, you're not able to use your body as a swinging mechanism. So now after we did some lateral raises, we're going to do front raises, single arm. And if you notice, the same arm that has the dumbbell, that's the knee that's going to be on the bench, and I'm pressing back with my other hand. Reason being is so that I can, again, stabilize my body so that I am not jerking this up or swinging it up with my body when it gets hard, because this does get hard. So 10 reps on each side, 10 reps of the first exercise. So this whole tri-set is a total of 30 reps, and you're gonna go for 4 sets if you can. It does burn, with a little bit of rest in between. So you're gonna breathe in when the dumbbell comes down, breathe out when you pull it up. I do have the dumbbell relaxed at the bottom, and I really focus not to allow myself to swing at the bottom. Pay attention to that. It happens to me all the time if I'm not mentally thinking about it. Alright, we're gonna work our front part of our shoulder. You wanna keep your elbow in front of you at all times. Do not let it come out to the side. And lightweight to no weight if you've never done this before. I am going a little bit quick, but I don't think this was my first set, so I'm already dying. So you're gonna do 15 reps on each arm, superset, meaning don't rest, for the next exercise, which I will show. But you wanna make sure that your legs are staggered, so one in front of the other, so that you are protecting your back, and you are bringing your hand all the way down to your chest and then all the way up. Again, really focusing on your elbow staying forward, and if you can, go a little slower than I am going. But this is a really good one to try. You will get looks because this is obviously, the machine is not made for this, but it's a good workout. So we are going to be supersetting this with some upright rows. Focus on this is you want your elbows to be the highest point coming up, your legs completely aligned. So make sure your feet are nice and side by side, and as well as you are focusing not one arm lifting before the other. Keep everything even, and 10 reps as heavy as you can go. So moving on, we're going to do sort of a tri-set. So 3 movements without rest in between, but we're going to alternate arms. So the first one, you want to be in that staggered stance. So you're making sure you're protecting your back, and also so that you're not, jolting your whole body with this movement. The thing that you need to focus on with this one is your palm is facing the sky, and you are trying to really focus on your shoulder, lifting it up, nothing else. So 10 reps on each arm. So once we get done with 10 on each arm, start with the arm you first started this exercise with, take the handlebar off, make a fist, and now you're going to go straight up with the fist to the sky. So this is not the same exercise, and you want to make sure that the first time your hand was up, now your fist is up. You are rotating your shoulder and hitting a completely different part of your shoulder. It sucks, and that is why we did each arm, alternating each arm, instead of doing all these 3 movements at once. So just breathe through it, 10 reps on each arm, and then we're going to do one more exercise on each arm before you get a breather. And the last exercise of this tricep, you are going to again start with the first arm you did of the tricep, and you are going to do some front lateral raises. I always lean my body away from the machine, holding onto it, and that is another trick that you can use, because if you're standing up, your whole body is going to want to jerk, and all these other muscles are going to want to help instead of being able to just target your shoulder. Breathe in when your handlebar comes down, breathe out when you come up. Again, 10 reps on each arm. Try doing this tricep at least 3 times.
Used to think I was nothing, but look at this love we found.
Alright, you guys, we are almost done with our shoulders. We have one more exercise, and I cannot take credit for it. I did not come up with this. Josh Bomer did. I will leave his Instagram below because I get a lot of my workouts from him as well. This is for your rear delts. So I showed 2 different views. Your goal is to keep the back of your arms on the ground the entire time, and you want your hands to completely rotate up, rotate down. Obviously in the right screen, I don't know if it's obvious, but this is like my last set and I was dying. I'm going way too fast, my shoulders are freaking fried, and I just want to cry. So in the left video, you'll see I'm going quite a little slower, which is probably better for your muscles. It most definitely is. Try to go slower, guys. But you're gonna do 20 reps, and I did 5 sets. You want to burn out your shoulders. Make sure though, when you are doing shoulders, do not overdo it, and always stretch in between. Or if you guys have any questions, you can always ask a personal trainer at the gym as well, or DM me on my Instagram, which I will leave. The link is on the screen. So, alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this workout, and let me know down in the comments below. And also, if you liked it, please share it with your friends so other people can see it as well, and I can reach out to more. Alright you guys, I will see you in the next one.